What's going on, guys? Anyways, so check this out. I got this vehicle that having issues starting. They said they saw some burnt wires. Now we do video multiple points, so check it out. I'm assuming this is the one that you're talking about. It is frayed. There's no signs of eroding. And this wire actually does go to your starter mode. So right there, you see that wire? Totally frayed, but they authorized to fix it. So let's see what I did. So as y'all saw before, this white wire right there, I did find another connector. Another tech did a wiring harness, and I was able to steal the connector. So got that wire, different colored, but if you look further down, you'll see that it's white. And that right there is a badass wire repair.